Mastercam 2024, we've made some enhancements to drafting, specifically notes and leaders. In previous versions of Mastercam, to do a note with multiple leaders could be quite time-consuming and tedious. Drop our note, we'd have to go to the Advanced tab, click Add to add the leader, and for every leader, we would have to continue to go back to the panel, hit Add, and add over and over again. Once done, to move the note, you'll notice the leaders disappear and you can't see the placement until the note's actually placed in its final position. In Mastercam 2024, they've streamlined the process, so I can drop my note, I can go to the Advanced tab, hit Add once, and I click on multiple holes without having to go back to the panel and hitting Add. Once done, I can hit Enter on the keyboard, and now I can move my note, and you'll notice the labels or leaders will follow the note, so you can see the placement before you actually place the note itself into the file. Then I can green check out, and the note's done, completed in its final position. So that was new in 2024.